Okay, good evening, everybody. This is Shane coming at you again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to max out the RAM or upgrade the RAM in your laptop. So this is the laptop that I'm using here, and it's a Dell laptop. It's an Inspiron 5758, and I went on the Dell support website to show the current configuration. And that's my service tag, Windows 10, the processor. Let me scroll here. And under memory, you see I've got a total of 8 gig. I've got two 4 gig chips, a 4 gig chip in DIMM A, 4 gig chip in DIMM B. And if I, go to system here, you'll see it says I have 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system. Now, what I did was I went online to see how much it would cost me for the RAM, and I went on Amazon and I checked. This is the RAM that I need, and I got 2 of these chips, and I ordered them this morning for same-day delivery, and literally 5 minutes ago, the package just came. So, let me open up this package here. Okay, and here are my 2 8 gigs. I'm going to put 16 gigs of RAM into my laptop. Put this over here. Let me show you. It's a really easy process. Let me show you how to do it. First thing, let me turn off this laptop. Let me power it down here. Let me get rid of this. Yep, close all the tabs. Close this out here. And power down. Nope, shut down. Okay, so I'm going to shut down the laptop and make sure I remove the power cord. That's important. You don't want any power cords around your laptop whatsoever. So, and the items that I'm going to use, well, I've got my RAM, of course, my duster just to spray it off, and I've got my PC tool kit here. Yeah, it says Inova because I donated blood the other day and they were giving out these free tool kits for donating blood. So you see, it pays to donate blood because in this handy dandy tool kit, you see, look at all these things that I got, all these nice tools, and I can use them for my laptop. And I got that from Donate Blood. Anyway, so this is off. Let me turn this bad boy over. And forgive the camera for being wobbly because I'm trying to, so here's the back of my laptop. I'm going to unscrew this screw right here. And I'm going to unscrew this screw right here in order to take apart my laptop here. So I'm going to, oh, okay. Thank you, babe. So here's my tools, the trade. Let me get on in here and work this sucker to death. You work it. Okay, that's one screw. Get this other one in here. Okay, this one out. Oops. Come on, come out, come out, come out. Where we are. Here. Here's my other screw. Okay, then I'm going to take this other tool here to pry open this little plastic cover right here. Get this bad. Get on in here. Yeah. All right, so as you see here are my 2 RAM chips, my 2 4 meg RAM chips right here. So I'm going to take these bad boys out and put these others in. Now, what you got to do is you just got to tug on these clips on the side right here. Lift those clips and the RAM pops up. So again, you tug on these clips on the side right here and the RAM pops up. So now let me open up my RAM. Get my brand new, freshly arrived RAM here. And, okay. So, let me get this one. See, and you can tell. See, that's a 4 gig chip, that's an 8 gig chip. You can see the difference with the gigs there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 4 gig chip out, place it here. I'm going to take the 8 gig chip and, oops, made a mistake. Let's put that bad boy in there. Get on it. It should snap in place on both sides, just like that. All right. That's the first one. Let me do the second one here. Open this up. And this one here. Okay. Again, this is a 4 meg. Let's take this out. This is a 4 meg. This is an 8 meg chip. See, this has the label side in it. So I'm going to put label side in. Let me stick that over there right now. Support DDR3 RAM. Put that bad boy in there. And you should just snap down. Come on, snap. Come on, work with me, baby. Work with me. All right. Both of them snapped in. Okay. Let me just do that really quick here. All right. Let me put this bad boy back together. All right. Snap that there. Snap, snap, snap. Everything should snap right back in place. Let me take this and screw these screws right back in here. Right. That goes in there like that. Take this. This goes in here like that. All right. Put the screws back nice and tight. Again, make sure everything's popped down straight. Okay, place these bad boys here. Turn it back over. Let me plug in. Plug back in here. Let's turn this bad boy on and let's check out the screen. Okay, people, so we've got the laptop turned back around. We just plugged it back in, so let's start it back up. Let's see what happens here. Okay. All right, alert. No memory was detected on the previous view. The amount of memory has changed. Yes, the amount of memory has changed because I just changed the memory. To continue, press the F1 key. So I'm pressing F1. Okay, so Windows is starting up. Okay, Dell welcome screen. Oh, yeah, okay, so there's my row of icons on the bottom. So, matter of fact, let me just type system. SYSTEM. Sometime. This should come up. Okay, there. Okay, system control panel. That's what I want. So let me click that system control panel. And what does it say now? So it says Windows. Okay, 16 gigs of RAM installed. Boom. There you go. So that's how you do it, people. It took a little while, but it actually done. So you see a RAM upgrade from 8 gigs to 16 gigs. 16 is the max on this computer. And because I'm going to be doing a lot of DBA stuff, I need all of that RAM. So see, it was a simple upgrade. All right. So upgrades are down, and we'll get into some more computer things in the next video. See you guys later.